Hello students. Welcome back to my class. In the last class we started our fundamentals of Java programming. Right. We discussed about what is computer program, what is program coding, what is syntax, what is high-level language, how the language translator works, what is source code and object code, what is Java, why Java is called object-oriented programming language. Then we discussed about few features of Java and understand the concepts of object-oriented programming, class and object. Today, we are going to learn about what is IDE, what is BlueJ. Then we are going to download BlueJ software and install on our computer. Then we will understand the interface of the BlueJ software. Then we will write out first Java program and then we will compile and run that program. Then we will understand the structure of a Java program. What is class declaration, public, main method, static, void and many more. So, let's learn. What is IDE? Full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So, Java IDE is a software application that enables users to write and debug Java programs more easily. Usually, Java IDEs include a code editor, a compiler, a debugger, and an interpreter that the developer may access via a single graphical user interface. Few examples of most commonly used IDEs are NetBeans, Eclipse, BlueJ, IntelliJ IDEA and many more. With the advancement in technology, we are using BlueJ Software. This is an IDE designed for beginners with a very user-friendly interface. So, let's download BlueJ Software. First of all, you have to open your favorite web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. Then go to google.com, search BlueJ. Click on the first link. That is bluej.org. As you can see, BlueJ's official website opened. In the Download and Install section, you can see that we can download as per our operating system configuration. I am using Windows 10, so I'm going to click Windows link. As you can see, download started. Now wait few seconds. Download done. Let's open the downloaded folder. Now let's open the downloaded file. Double-click on this file. Then, next, follow the instruction. Just like installing any game file. Installation done. Now double-click on the BlueJ icon on the desktop. As you can see, BlueJ software interface is opened. Now we have to create a new project. So click on Project, then New Project. Let's create a new project. Now project window appears. Here, this one is called Menu Bar. This one is New Class button. This one is called Compile button. And this one is called Project icon. Now, let's write our first Java program. First of all, we have to create one new class. So click on New Class button. Write your class name. Now double-click on the class file. Now, don't worry. Just select all and delete everything. I'm just going to print hello from my side. So, let's start. Public class, class name. Curly bracket start. Public static void main string args. Don't worry, I will discuss about all those elements. Next is System.out.println to print some statement. And ln for print the statement in line. One more thing, this place is called Code Editor Window. As you can see, it gives us an area where we can write programs. After writing all those codes, just click on Compile. So, no syntax error. Now go back and right-click on the class file. Then click on Void main string args, that is main method. Then OK. So our program run perfectly. Now let's talk about the structure of a Java program. First one is class declaration. The class key indicates that you are going to create a new class. The name of the Java program must match with the class name. Next is public. The keyword public indicates that the method can be called from anywhere inside or outside the class. And the keyword static indicates that the method remains the same for all the instances of a class. Next is void. The void is a keyword, which signifies that the function will not return any value. Next is main. The single method used in this class is called main. This is the place from where the program's execution begins, when the class is executed. The main is defined as being public static with a void return type. In the above program, the main method contains one statement, that is System.out.println. Next is string args. The last part of this statement is string args. It is also called command line argument, where args is an array or set of string object that represents arguments or parameters passed onto the class at the time of the execution. Basically, it stores Java command line arguments. Just remember, an array is a collection of similar data elements stored at contiguous memory locations. Last is System.out.println. This statement is used to print any message or result on the terminal screen. Any text written in double quotes is printed as such. Anything written without quotes is treated as a program component, and its value will be printed. You can use the plus symbol to combine two or more items in a single line. Let's write another Java program to print 3-line. So, let's start. First of all, you have to create a class, so click on New Class. Then give the class name you want. Then, OK. Now, just select all and delete. Let's write public class, class name, curly bracket start, public static void main string args, System.out.println, write whatever you want to print. Close all curly brackets. Now click on Compile button. No syntax error. Now go back. Right-click on the class file icon. Click on main method. Then OK. Program run successfully. In the next video we will write more Java programs, and we'll try to understand basic fundamentals of Java. What are identifiers? Keywords. Data types. Different types of data types. What are literals? Variables and comments. And many more. And that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much, students. Already told you that I will upload daily basis videos on new topics. What you have to do, just came and watch the video 10 to 15 minutes, then practice it in your PC or laptop for at least 20 minutes. Once again, thank you so much, students. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our community of passionate programmers. Until next time, happy coding!